chip brush. Let me do the thumb first. And it's gonna be really cool. You can either do exact the same with the thumbs I have, or is you know, like spontaneous, you just doing it randomly designs however you want. So condensed glue gel. So after I done one coat of the Aurora number 34, I absolutely obsessed with this. And we are going to doing a condensed glue gel first, and no wipe top coat right on the top, floating right before you key it, okay? And floating the no wipe top coat on the top. You don't want to drag all the condensed glue gel, so okay, can I get the bead too? Bead and frame. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with the so beautiful. I want to do this one because I didn't have that one yet. All right, so diamond shard. I'm loving it. This is a great crystal placement for all of you who have the clients like love crystal but don't want to show off a lot. I would say show off, it means that we're using like really sparkle of the crystal AB. This is for the clients who wants like more saddles. And you know what, if you are seeing it in person, you will know exactly what I am talking about, because this is so different and stunning. So I'm go ahead and using the glow in the darks. The color I have is a glow in the dark, and it from glow in the dark kits. I'm not using an SS. I'm not using a lot of SS from SS3 all the way to SS 16. I'm gonna do a centerpiece first, which is diamond shards, but in the transcendent, okay? And then hey, you good? And continue to doing this. I'm loving this. Can I get another tray? How's everyone doing? Hope you all have a fabulous Friday and really productive Friday. Productive Friday. Can you cut for me there? The cutters on the cart outside there. I'm gonna put this frame there. The best thing to do is to add the centerpiece, which is I'm using a diamond shard, and then I place a SS 16, SS 12. I'm sorry, SS 12. And SS 10, SS 8. And now I'm gonna put the beads between the frame and the crystals, and between the joys of the crystals. Am I still on the under the camera? Am I still on the frame?
Yeah, you're good.
All right, I'm so excited. I've been wearing fall and Halloween for last 3 sets, so I'm so excited to get this set on. I'm so in love with this. This is really cool though. You can see the Aurora effects is through the crystal. Okay, so now I'm happy with this. We are going to like here for 60 seconds. If you do 1 nails and you key 60 seconds, I am going to do 5 nails. I'm going to key flash key for like 30 seconds, and I'm going to do a full key give it a wipe on the side to remove the extra condensed glue gels and